Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today we will be discussing on the role of chartered accountant in providing services to micro, small and medium enterprises. MSME, we have a separate act of 2006. We have a independent ministry out of 53 ministries. And there are about 6 crore MSME, that is, and they contribute 30% of the GDP and 45% of export. Now, MSME was created under the Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951 for the first time. Across world, we have a micro, small, medium enterprises, and they play a very significant role in employment generation, in boosting the GDP, increasing the export. And from 1st July 2020, we have a new criteria for micro, small and medium enterprises. For micro, investment in plant and machinery up to 1 crore and turnover up to 5 crore. For small, investment in plant and machinery up to 10 crore, turnover 50 crore. And for medium, we have a investment in plant and machinery up to 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crore. And there is a simple process of registration at Udyam, where within a second, without any application fees, the enterprise can register as micro, small or medium enterprises. Now, what services a chartered accountant can provide to MSME segment? And when I see the statistics, I said about MSME, there are 6 crores, 600 lakhs. The number of chartered accountants total are 3 lakh plus. And those who are in full-time practice is 1 lakh plus. That means each chartered accountant will be servicing about 600 micro, small enterprises if we take on a mathematical basis. So the first area is the selection of enterprise, like whether one should be sole proprietor, LLP, private limited company. It will depend on the business plan, the growth, because later on, if listing is required, it is advised to have a private limited company which can be converted into public limited company and listed. Then second is the initial compliances, the compliances of various laws, employment laws, shops and establishment registration. Then taking the benefits of the government, like, we have a state subsidies, central subsidies. So applying for those benefits which are available, the loan facilities, capital subsidy which is available. Then the tax compliances, the taxation aspects, the financial advisory services. Then there is a government purchase scheme, public procurement, where in a separate video, I have covered, what services a chartered accountant can render, where government buys minimum 25% from micro and small category. And within that 25%, 3% for women and 4% for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. There is a Make in India scheme. Then the corporate governance, maintenance of statutory registers, listing the public issue, preparation of project report, how they can export to different countries through the assistance of export promotion councils, participation in export various exhibitions, registration with NSIC, MSME Mart, MSME Sambandh. All these services can be rendered. Another very significant service which a chartered accountant can render. The act is very small. It is 32 sections, and before this legislation, there was a legislation called Delayed Payment to Small Scale and Ancillary Industries Act 1993. Now that has been repealed by Section 32 of 2006. And the delayed payment facility which was under that legislation is under Part 5 of this legislation, Section 15 to 25 deals, where if any buyer of goods or services from micro and small enterprises do not make the payment within 45 days, then one can approach to Micro Small Enterprises Facilitation Council, plus the three times the SBI rate, prime lending rate, the interest is payable by the buyer of goods and services. In Atmanirbhar plan of the government of India, there are various facilities given to MSME. There is a 20,000 crore subordinate debt. There are facilities for priority lending. So all these services can be rendered by a chartered accountant to micro, small, medium enterprises who are the foundations to increase the economy. And the plan of the government, $5 trillion economy by 2024 and $10 trillion by 2030. That can be achieved by rendering our services to micro, small, medium enterprises, because they assist in the employment generation, they assist in boosting gross domestic product of India. So have a look at this sector to provide our services, and I would request viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel and inform me of what other topic I should create videos. Thank you for viewing this video.